Hello, I'm Omar, owner of AC Power and Comfort, your South Florida commercial HVAC service provider. We are specialized in service, repair, installation, and most important, preventative maintenance. Just a few HVAC equipments to mention that we provide services on are chillers, cooling towers, pumps, frequency drives, duct systems, boilers, and building automation controls. Remember, AC Power and Comfort, your South Florida HVAC service provider. If you're looking for a quality, reliable, flexible pricing, you can visit our website, www.acpowercomfort.com. Again, thank you for viewing.